In today's video, we're going to discuss 5 things that you absolutely must remove from your home as soon as possible. These items, while seemingly innocuous, can actually invite poverty, stagnation, and negative energy into your life. It's vital that you listen carefully to what I'm about to share. If you've ever felt stuck in a never-ending routine, or if your dreams and goals always seem just beyond your grasp, it's likely that one or more of these 5 things are to blame. In this video, I'm going to go into detail about what these items are, why they are problematic, and how eliminating them can help you unlock a life of abundance and progress. But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to encourage you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and to like and share this video with those you care about, especially if you want to see them thrive and succeed. Leave a comment below sharing how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe, and express your gratitude for all the good things in your life. Let your words resonate far and wide, attracting everything your heart desires. If you're skeptical about the power of the law of attraction and its ability to transform your life, this video might not be for you. But if you're willing to keep an open mind, I strongly urge you to watch until the very end, because what I'm about to reveal could be the key to achieving the results you've been yearning for. To start, it's crucial to understand that everything in the universe is energy. This includes you, thoughts, and every single object within your home. Every item you possess carries its own unique energetic vibration, which can either propel you forward or hold you back. Once I grasped this concept, I began to examine my own belongings more closely. I was astonished to discover that many items I owned were tied to past experiences and emotions, keeping me anchored in situations that no longer served me. When I finally let go of these things, I began to manifest incredible changes in my life. Changes I never thought possible. So take a few moments for yourself right now and really pay attention to what I'm about to share. The information I'm going to give you is immensely powerful. If you apply it to your own life, you too could start seeing miraculous transformation. The 5 things I'm about to outline are all connected to the principle of vibration. Let's get started with the first item you need to eliminate from your home: clothes you no longer wear. When you purchase a new item of clothing, it carries a specific energy that reflects the state you were in at the time. Think back to a time when you bought a piece of clothing that you absolutely loved and wore all the time, only to suddenly lose interest in it. Have you ever wondered why that happens? The reason is that you have evolved. We are all constantly growing and changing. What appealed to you in the past may no longer resonate who you are today. The clothes you no longer wear still retain the energy of your past, which no longer aligns with your current energy. Because of this energetic mismatch, these items can create stagnation in your life, preventing you from moving forward. To break free from this stagnation, you should let go of any clothing that no longer serves you. Keep only the pieces that you love, that make you feel good, and that bring a smile to your face when you see yourself in the mirror. The rest can be donated if they are in good condition, or discarded if they are not. Before you get rid of these clothes, I encourage you to perform a simple yet important exercise. Hold each item in your hands and express your gratitude for it. Say something like, "Thank you for the moments we shared and the time we spent together." You might wonder why this is necessary. The reason is that each piece of clothing has its own energy, and it's important to complete its cycle by expressing gratitude as you part ways with it. After all, when you wore these clothes, they likely brought you some wonderful moment. The second thing that you need to eliminate from your home is broken objects. These can be anything from kitchen utensils to decorative items like vases, mirrors, or paintings. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, your temple, and it's crucial that you take good care of it. If something is broken, it's important not to try to fix it by gluing the parts back together. The fact that it's broken means that it's already served its purpose and should be let go. Having broken items in your home can act as a significant drain on your energy and can block the flow of positive energy in your life. As with the clothes, I suggest you follow a similar process of gratitude when discarding broken items. Say goodbye to them with appreciation for the service they provided you before you discard them. This will help you release any lingering energy tied to these objects, making way for new, positive energy to enter your life. The third thing you need to address is dirty or worn-out shoes. This is something I learned from one of my most influential metaphysics teachers. The shoes you wear are symbolic of the journey of your life, guiding you with every step you take. It's crucial to keep them clean and in good condition. When you return home, take a moment to clean your shoes so that any external energy they've picked up doesn't enter your sanctuary. If your shoes are worn out, ask yourself if you want to walk a broken path in your life. I imagine you don't. Do your best to replace worn-out shoes with new ones that are in good condition. Your shoes bear the weight of your physical body every day and absorb all the energy of the places you walk. It's essential to treat them with care, because they play a significant role in your daily life. The fourth item you should remove from your home requires special attention, because it's something that most people have in their homes. Objects and clothes that belong to people who are no longer with us, who have passed on. While memories of loved ones should always remain in our hearts and minds, it's important to recognize that these items carry energy. The person they belong to is no longer present in this world. It's time to let go of these objects and allow them to continue their journey. Holding on to these items can create stagnation in your home and in your life, as you're holding on to energy that no longer belongs in your present reality. It's crucial to focus on the present and only keep things that are part of your current life. Past, as they say, is already gone and it no longer exists in the here, now. As the Bible says in the Gospel of Matthew, let the dead bury their own dead. Matthew 8:22. This verse reminds us to let go of the past and move forward, focusing on what's truly important in the present. The fifth and final thing you must eliminate from your home is clutter. This is perhaps one of the most common sources of stagnant energy in our lives. The energy in your home must be able to flow freely, and clutter can seriously impede this flow. The lighter and more organized your environment is, the easier it will be for energy to circulate. Try to keep your home as neat and orderly as possible. Open the windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, and avoid leaving things lying around. Consider adding beautiful plants to your home, as they can help purify the air and uplift the energy of your space. Make it a habit to tidy up regularly and create a living space that brings you joy and peace. Your home is your sanctuary, and it should be a place where you feel happy and at ease. Something as simple as making your bed each morning and expressing gratitude for the rest it provided you, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Remember, your home is filled with energy, and by creating a clean and harmonious environment, you'll invite positive energy into your life. When you start implementing these 5 tips, you'll likely notice a significant shift in your life. You'll feel lighter, and you may find that challenges and obstacles start to resolve more easily. Allow the energy to flow freely in your home, and you'll see how your life can improve in profound ways. Don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. As one of my greatest metaphysics teachers once said, if you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Cleanse your home of all negative energy that no longer resonates with who you are today, and you'll soon witness miracles unfold in your life. As we come to the end of this video, I want to emphasize the tremendous impact that our living spaces can have on our energy and overall well-being. It's truly remarkable how simple changes in our environment can lead to profound shifts in our lives. By letting go of things like clothes we no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with loved ones who have passed away, we create room for positive energy to flow freely through our lives. This process serves as a powerful reminder that everything around us carries energy, and there's a dynamic interplay between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present selves, we open the door to incredible transformations. Additionally, practicing gratitude as we part ways with our belongings allows us to honor the role they played in our lives and to embrace the new experiences and opportunities that lie ahead. Decluttering our living spaces and creating an environment filled with things we truly love and resonate with is not about striving for perfection or investing in expensive decorations. It's about infusing our homes with positive vibrations, which can be achieved through small but impactful steps like opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping our spaces organized. By taking these actions, we invite miracles into